Valneva achieved major and material milestones in the first half of this year, most notably in R&D and strategic development. On our phase 3 Lyme disease vaccine candidate VLA15 partnered with Pfizer, we completed the primary vaccination for all participants in time for this year's Lyme season, and we are now aiming to complete all booster vaccinations in the next year ahead of the 2025 tick season. With that major progress, we are on track for the efficacy readout at the end of next year, moving us a step closer to potentially providing a preventative solution for the most prevalent vector-borne disease in the United States and Europe, addressing a huge unmet medical need. Following FDA approval at the end of 2023 for IXCHIQ, the world's first vaccine against the chikungunya virus, we achieved further marketing authorizations in Canada and Europe, even slightly ahead of our own expectations, now allowing us to potentially commence first sales outside of the US still this year. And we are also expecting additional approvals this year. We provided additional data for IXCHIQ in adolescents and completed the enrollment of our pediatric phase 2 study and are preparing, submitting for label extensions this year. In July, we were proud to announce an extension of our partnership with CEPI, who support our global access strategy for IXCHIQ, mainly into low and medium income countries, with a new grant of more than $40 million. Most recently, we entered into a strategic partnership to accelerate the development of the world's most advanced tetravalent Shigella vaccine candidate. Augmenting our R&D pipeline has been one of our major strategic objectives, and we are thrilled about the opportunity to develop another first-in-class vaccine, this time for a devastating, life-threatening disease. Our shigellosis program aligns with our vision and mission and is expected to provide additional R&D upside for investors with an appealing risk-benefit profile based on a staggered development plan that includes multiple catalysts and decision points. Our highly skilled and dedicated teams continue to execute a strong R&D pipeline across a number of preclinical and clinical programs, including our second-generation Zika vaccine candidate, for which we expect to report phase 1 results next year. Product sales of 68.3 million euros recognized first sales of IXCHIQ. Overall sales were in line with our anticipated supply and sales phasing, and hence we have reiterated our set of full-year financial guidance. The successful sale of our priority review voucher and deferral of our loan reimbursement in the first quarter allowed us to maintain a solid cash position, and now that we have completed our payments for the Lyme disease program, we anticipate a significantly lower cash burn across the rest of the year. Overall, we see exceptional growth opportunities for Valneva, most notably a pathway to sustained profitability upon potential licensure and commercialization of our Lyme vaccine candidate by Pfizer. We would like to extend our gratitude to our dedicated employees, valued partners and shareholders for their unwavering support and trust. Together, we look forward to an exciting second half of the year and prosperous future.